In this video we will look at multicollinearity, one of the most common issues in multiple regression. This matters because it affects how much we can trust the coefficients we estimated. You can go back to the OLS simple and multiple regression videos I have shown you before. Multicollinearity happens when two or more explanatory variables move closely together. In other words, they contain overlapping information. When that happens, the model struggles to separate their individual effects. When multicollinearity is high, coefficients can become unstable. They may flip signs, become very large or very small, or lose statistical significance, even if the variables are actually important. The model still predicts well, but the individual coefficients become unreliable. A quick first way to detect multicollinearity is to look at the correlation matrix. For this, go to Data, Data Analysis, select Correlation, and generate the matrix on a new worksheet. A correlation matrix is a square table, where each row and column represents a variable. To find the correlation between two variables, look at the cell where their row and column intersect. For example, inflation with export growth or unemployment with GDP growth. The matrix is symmetric, so the value is the same whether you read it across or down. High correlations, say above 0.7 or 0.8, suggest potential multicollinearity.